In this video, we're going to learn how to download, install, and activate Microsoft Office 2021 for free. As you can see, I currently don't have Word or Excel on my PC, so let's go ahead and see how to get them. Step 1. Download the Office Deployment Tool. First, open Google and search for Office Deployment Tool. Make sure to click on the official Microsoft website. Once you're there, you'll see a download button. Go ahead and click on it. Step 2. Access the Office Customization Tool. Next, search for Office Customization Tool on Google and click on the relevant Microsoft link. Step 3. Customize the Office suite. From here, choose the right version for your system, either 32-bit or 64-bit. To check which one you need, go to your search bar, type about your PC, and under Device Specifications, you'll find whether your system is 32-bit or 64-bit. In the Office Suite section, select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021. If there are any Office apps you don't need, you can toggle them off to save internet data. Once done, click Next. Step 4. Set language and installation options. In the Language section, choose English, United States, and click Next. For installation options, update and upgrade options, and licensing and activation options, leave them as they are and just keep clicking Next until you reach the Finish button. Click Finish. Step 5. Export the configuration. Now, click on the Export button. Choose Keep Current Settings. Click OK. Check the confirmation box and click Export again. Once the files are downloaded, click Show in Folder. Step 6. Organize files in C drive. Navigate to your C drive and create a new folder called Office 2021. Go to your Downloads folder, select both files, and cut them by pressing Ctrl+X. Then, go back to C:\Office 2021 and paste them there by pressing Ctrl+V. Step 7. Start installation. Now, right-click on the Office Deployment Tool file and select Run as Administrator. Tick the checkbox and click Continue. Select this PC, navigate to Local Disk, C, open the Office 2021 folder, and click OK to start extracting the files. Step 8. Run commands in CMD. Once the extraction is done, go to the search bar, type CMD, and run it as administrator. In the command prompt, type cd C:\Office 2021 and hit Enter. Then type setup.exe/configure-configuration.xml. Press Enter, and the download process for Microsoft Office 2021 will begin. It might take some time, so be patient. Step 9. Complete installation. Once the installation is complete, close the installer and open Microsoft Word. As you can see, it's successfully downloaded. You can also confirm activation by going to the Accounts tab, where you'll see that it's already activated. And that's how you successfully download, install, and activate Microsoft Office 2021 on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.